Yo, man, I get so tired of all talk and no action. I done came a long way, understand me. You can't Uncle Sam me, you hand me a Grammy to appease me. Please be easy, Jesus sees me, but just don't do me greasy. Cause we can all lose it if you abuse it. I tell it like it is in my music. Some don't like it and some say preach it. I would tell it all, but some things best secret. I'll admit it, I'ma spit it where they need to get it. Young kid, loose fitted, squeeze in a tight minute. Satan warn him, the pain of his pants on him, the streets on him, judgment upon him. And I'ma tell him about the light in the dark, with the mic trying to spark that faith in his heart. The faith that could save him, the faith that God gave him to praise him before it's all done and hell blazing. Rise up, stand and let's be what we call to be. Pats on the back don't mean nothing at all to me. The blood gotta flow, let's unclog the artery. Wanna be a star to me? Hit the block hard with me up. Rise and let's be what we call to be. Pats on the back don't mean nothing at all to me. The blood gotta flow, let's unclog the artery. Wanna be a star to me? Hit the block hard with me. And I done came from the depths of depravity. Grown man, my back ain't got a spot for a battery. Stop with the flattery, we all ain't nothing. If you don't answer, your call ain't nothing. We all in the struggle trying to work it, walk it, tweak it. So we doing more than just speak it. It's more than a weekend, concert, rapping, everyone yakking. Nothing happens, I'm past the theatrics. Jesus feed me, you so deep, heed me. Please feed the needy. Jesus, teach me outside religion to apply the word of God here to real living. Where it's real at, will they peel at, still back, clap and let somebody feel that. Don't offer a church, I offer life. I don't offer you a pastor, I offer Christ. Come on. Rise up, stand and let's be what we call to be. Pats on the back don't mean nothing at all to me. The blood gotta flow, let's unclog the artery. Wanna be a star to me? Hit the block hard with me up. Rise and let's be what we call to be. Pats on the back don't mean nothing at all to me. The blood